Hi, my name is Daphne Pellig, and this is week 7's video journal. So this week asked about what area of technology we'd like to learn more about. And for me, I don't have really a specific area that I am very focused and very, very interested in. For me, it is more of how do we use technology in a more effective manner. I feel like nowadays, at least within the schools and the kids that I see, I feel like technology has just turned them more into zombies and more into kind of emotionless human beings. And not in the sense that they don't have emotions, but the sense that they really don't know how to share them properly with other students, with their parents, with teachers. We're seeing this rise in anxiety, the rise in depression, rise in cyberbullying, all this stuff. And a lot of that comes more from social media, which obviously is a part of technology, but I feel like technology can be used more for good than for evil, but it's just more on how to implement it properly and how to get our kids to care, I guess. I feel like as an adult, you kind of realize, oh, it can be used for good, but as a kid, you just want to play, you know what I mean? You just want the games, you just want the social aspect of it. But I think I'm more interested in finding ways to make, I guess, the technology fun and not so lifeless, if you will.